Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video I will show you how to sum values based on a drop-down selection in Google Sheets, so you can automatically calculate totals based on what you choose. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on any cell where you want the drop-down list, because this cell will control which category you want to total. Go to the Data menu at the top and choose Data Validation, which is used to create rules for cells. Then select the range that contains your category names, so the list shows the correct options. Step 2. Click on the cell where you want the total to appear, because this is where the calculated result will be displayed. This cell will update automatically when the selection changes. Make sure it is empty before entering the formula. Step 3. Type SUMIF, because this function adds numbers based on a specific condition. It is useful when you want to total values that match a selected category. You will now provide the required ranges inside the formula. Step 4. Select the entire category column as the range, because this column contains the labels to match. After selecting it, type a comma to move to the next argument. This tells Google Sheets where to check for the selected category. Step 5. Click the cell that contains the drop-down selection, because this cell holds the condition to match. Type a comma again to continue the formula. This connects your chosen category to the data you want to sum. Step 6. Select the amount column where the values to be added are listed, because these are the numbers that will be totaled. This column should align with the category column. It ensures only matching rows are included in the sum. Step 7. Type and press Enter to complete the formula. The function will now calculate the total based on the selected category. You should see a value appear in the results cell immediately. Step 8. Click the drop-down and select any category to see the total update automatically. This shows the formula is working correctly and responding to your selection. You can switch categories anytime to view different totals instantly. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.